Hi nappy beauties, it's your girl fabulously nappy, and I'm here with another video for you. If you're just tuning in for the first time, please go on ahead and hit the subscribe button. For my old subscribers, thank you for tuning in again to listen to your girl, to watch her do her thing, So into this video, we're going to be doing a headband wig. That's right. So this is typically no lace. Like, you don't gotta worry about no melting of lace, no laying baby hairs. Oh wait, you can lay your baby hairs if you want to, but it's not a necessity. You just throw it on your head and you're out the door like nobody's business. Okay, so to start off, we're gonna be using our dome cap, and I just flipped mine inside out, placed it on my mannequin head, secured it at the sides, and this is the hair I'm going to be using. Okay, so that is a synthetic hair. It's an old hair I had at home. You can use any one that you have, new, old, synthetic, human, anyone. You also be needing needle and thread, and this is a concealer. I'm just using that to mark out on the cap where I'm going to be sewing the weave on. It's just to give me an idea, to guide me on when I'm sewing. So that's it. That's what it's looking like. I didn't follow that exactly, but it just gave me, like I said, it just is to give a guide on how to sew it. So to start, I'm just gonna place that there, and I'm starting here. I'm going to secure the weave, because you don't want it to fall out or fall off or anything like that. So you want to make sure you secure it at the end, at the start and the end, and just make sure everything is down and tight. Yeah, so everything is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'll just let you watch. I'll leave everything I used down in the description box. I'll list them down in the description box, so please make sure to check that out as well. And yeah, just watch, and hopefully you find this helpful. Okay. And if you hear a lot of noise in the back, please don't mind that. I just live by the road, and there's so much economic activities going on, and just please don't mind noises. There's nothing I can do about that, so just don't mind that. Okay. All right, so enjoy the video. Okay, nappy beauties, this is what we're looking like right now. I left a little bit of space back there, as you can see, so you'll see what that is for in the end. So just leave that space, okay? And don't forget, we're sewing on the inside out, okay? So yeah, and there's some spaces in the middle. Just don't sew it too close in the back, because you don't want to run out of weaving hair when you're not done with your wig, okay? And that's the length. It's pretty long. That's how far we've gone. I'm just brushing it out. Okay, so there's some left from that's still that first bundle I used from the start, so there's still some left. Okay, so since I'm around the middle right now, I'm going to be, the first one was folded to 2, so this time around I'm going to fold them to 4, so 4 strands. Okay, so that one was 2. I'm adding another 2 to make it 4, and that's just what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the video. Okay, it's going to be 4 strands of hair together. You see that? So that's 2. I'll fold it again, it comes 4, like that. Fold it, that's 4, and that's how I'll be sewing it down. Okay, so keep watching. Okay, beauties, this is where we're at right now. This is what we're looking like, and it's looking good. So just brush that all back, brush it behind so you can have a clear view of what you're doing. And place that there. I'm going to leave some space, between the weave and the band of the elastic band of the dome cap. There's a little space there, just leave that out, and you're gonna see how it's gonna be in the end. Okay, so just go ahead and sew it down. Okay, I'm done. I just sewed that all through to the back. I just kept sewing until when the weave was done. So I just sewed it, just keep sewing it round. And if you can go round, that would be even better, because that will help you to be able to put it up in a bun. You'll see that in the moment you see it in a bun. So I'm just brushing the hair out. And remember I said this is a synthetic wig, okay? So the hair is synthetic. So I just brush it out, brush, nice and smooth. And it was kind of rough at the end. See that? So I just cut it off. Just cut off the end. Okay, I just took out the pins, and that is why we left that space in the front, so you can just flip it over and it looks as good as you can see it. So with that way you don't necessarily need a band to put on it, like to style it. You can just put a band if you want to style it, but if you just if you don't need it, you just flip it over like that and you're gone. So you can just brush it. Just brush it.
What we do here is go back.
Okay, as you can see, it's all good in the back as well. So that is why I just kept sewing until I went through the back, so that if you should want to put it in a ponytail, it's good. So there, that's my very first headband wig. I feel so proud of myself, even though it's not perfect, but with a little bit of practice, I'm gonna get there. So there it is. Just let me know in the comment section what you think. Is it good? Have you tried this style before? If you have, how are your results? Were they good? Did you love them? Or how was it? How was yours? Do you intend to try it out? Just let me know in the comment section. Hey, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.